It's for you.
It's for you. It's for you.
Oh! It's for you.
It's for you, Mom.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
It's for you. Let's pick up line 1.
Dad, it's for you.
All right, Mom. Take down the den.
He didn't want this?
No, it's for you. He asked me to pour it.
I just wrote it. It's for you, Curtis.
It's for you. She wanted to tell you something.
It's for you. Take a message, Kate. I think you better take it.
Mr. Nolan, it's for you. It's God. He says we should have girls at Wilton.
You want to kill me? Oh, God. Hold on. Cindy, it's for you. Hi.
Oh, hi.
I'm looking for
Queenie, it's for you.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, I'm doing fine, yeah. Yeah, she is, just saying. It's for you.
Oh, great.
How'd you do that?
Magic.
Is it for me?
Of course it's for you. A diamond for my princess.
Hello, this is Dr. Vance. You paged me.
It's for you. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello?
I think you're ready for this.
Do I have a son?
No, you make me laugh. It stretches, it's for you.